Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to online CRT classes. Today we are going to discuss the time and work part 3. So yesterday we discussed some of the questions, and now we're going to see some different type of questions, like person who's joining and who's leaving. So extra person who's joining and leaving. So that type of questions we'll see today, and some of the basic problems also. Okay. First of all, the basics of the time and work, just a recap of this. So we discussed two methods. What is that? Rule of flip. In rule of flip, the efficiency or capacity or 1 day work is nothing but 1 by number of days. That means n days is there, then 1 by n is the efficiency or 1 day work. This is work and this will be days. So if we know that 1 day work, we just inverse that, we can get the total number of days from this. Okay, this is the rule of flip. And the second method we saw, that is LCM method. Taking a LCM of given days, taking all LCM of the days, like it's nothing but units of the work, total work. So this is the total work. From this 1 day work of A, 1 day work of A, 1 day work of B, 1 day work of C is just dividing that by days, 30. It's a total work by 10 days, by 15 days, by 30 days. So it will give 1 day work. That means nothing but efficiency, capacity, 1 day work. Efficiency, capacity, 1 day work. Efficiency, capacity, 1 day work. So this is a very, very important 2 points. So if you understood this one, then you can solve easily any problem. Okay. And yesterday, so I think this problem is over yesterday. This problem we discussed yesterday. Is this problem discussed yesterday? Has anyone give the reply fast? No. Okay. Okay. Let us see this. First of all, P can do. Okay. Yesterday, middle of the class it's disconnected, right? Okay. P can do 1 by 4th of the work in 10 days. Q can do 40% of work in 40 days. And R can do 1 by 3rd of the work in 13 days. Who will complete the work first? They're asking. So individually they given their efficiency for some days. 10 days efficiency they given, 40 days efficiency they given, and 13 days efficiency they given. So if you are converting the whole work, if you convert the whole work, then we can identify which person is completing the work first, right? So first thing, P, how much work he will do in 10 days? 1 by 4th. 1 by 4th of the work in 10 days. So to complete the work, 1 by 4th, that is nothing but 25%. 25% is 10 days. Okay. Now just see here. So 1 by 4th into 4 will get 1, right? In this total work will be 1. So into 4 into 4. So it will be 1, the whole work in 40 days. Whole work in 40 days. Okay. 1 by 4th in 10 days is nothing but total. Remaining work is nothing but 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is nothing but 40 days, right? So 40 days P will take. P takes 40 days. Okay, right here. P takes 40 days here. Okay. Now, who's that person? Another person, Q. Q will do 40% of work in 40 days. Okay, 40% of work in 40 days. So 10%. in 10 days, right? 10% in 10 days. So 100% in 100 days. So Q will complete the same work in 100 days. Okay, right here. Now, another one. Now, who's that? Another one, R. R, 1/3 in 13 days. To make it 1, it's nothing but into 3 here, into 3 here. So, one work, complete work is nothing but 39 days. So, R is nothing but in 39 days. What they're asking, who will complete the work first? P is 40, Q is 100 days, and R is 39 days. Who will complete the work first? R, right? So R will complete the work first. Just converting whole work. They are giving 40%, right? Make it 100%, 100 days. And 1/4 is nothing but 25%. 25% is 10, 100% into 4, 40 days. And 1/3 is nothing but 75%, right? So 75% in 30 days. So sorry, 3/4 is 75%, right? It's nothing but 33.33%. Okay, this is 33.33% in 13 days. So 100% is nothing but 39 days. Okay, clear? So R will complete the work first. Hope you clear. Now we're moving for the next question. I think. What about this? Is this over in yesterday? You reply first. A can do half a piece of work in 5 days. B can do 3/5 of the same work in 9 days, and C can do 2/3 of that work in 8 days. How many days 3 of them together do the work? So I think it is also not completed yesterday. Just check now. Listen carefully. Questions, whatever the questions, if you know the concept, that is persons is inversely proportional to days. So person is increasing, days will decrease, first thing. And how we are going to solve this? That may be a rule of flip method, LCM method, and common sense method. Another one. It's not a method actually. By common sense, we can do the work just like before the problem. So before the problem, we are not using the LCM method and fraction method. Just converting the full days. Just here also like this one. So A can do half of a piece of work in 5 days. Half work, that means 50% of in 5 days. That means 100% of work in 10 days, right? Who says A? Right? Now B can do 3/5 of the work in 9 days. So B 3/5 of the work in 9 days. So total is 5 parts. So total is 5 parts, and in that 3 parts is completed in 9 days. 3 parts is completed in 9 days. That means 1 part in 3 days, right? So 1 part in 3 days, 5 parts is nothing but 15 days. Now B is in 15 days. Just converting the whole days, man. That's it. So C can do 3/2 of the work in 8 days. 2/3 is in 8 days, right? So 3 parts is there totally. So 2 parts he completed in 2 days. Sorry, 2 parts completed in 8 days. That means 1 part is nothing but 4 days. So 3 parts is nothing but 12 days. So C can do the same work in 12 days. Now we got the A, B, C total work days they can complete. But what they're asking, in how many days 3 of them together do the work, right? Now take the LCM of these two. 10, 15, 12. What's that? 60 is the LCM. 60 is the LCM, right? So it will take 6 apples, he will take 4 apples, he will take 5 apples. So totally 15 apples, right? So together if they are working 15 apples, they can eat in a day. So total how many apples is there? 60 apples is there. 60 by 15 is nothing but how many days? 4 days. In 4 days, they can eat all apples. In 4 days, right? Clear? First, we are converting the whole work. So first they given half of the work, 3 by 5 of the work, 2 by 3 of the work they given. So first of all, we have to convert that whole work. That means complete work. Then we know the days of A, days of B, days of C. N 15, 12. So take the LCM of this. 60. 60 is the LCM. Then if you know the LCM, one day work is nothing but total units by days. 60 by 10. That's why I write 6 here. So 60 by 15, 4 here. 60 by 12, 5 here. So totally efficiency of A 6, efficiency of B 4, efficiency of C 5. If they're working together, efficiency of single day A plus B plus C 15. One day they all together eat 15 apples in a day. Totally 60 apples is there. 60 by 15 in 4 days. So 4 days is the answer. Hope you're clear. If you're not understanding, just raise the hand mark. Otherwise, just ask in the chat box, because whatever I'm saying here, if you're not understanding and you are not giving the reply, there is a waste of yours and my time also. First of all, try to understand the questions. Okay. And here, A can paint a house in 55 days. Okay. A, how many days? In 55 days, he paint the whole house. And B can do that in 66 days. So B alone can do in 66 days. Along with C, they did the job in 12 days only. That means C joined here. For today's class is joining and leaving. C joined here. C joined. Along with that, A plus B plus C. C joined here. And they can complete in only 12 days. Only 12 days. Okay. Now, what they're asking, if C alone is doing the same work, how many days he will take, right? So first, same thing. Take the LCM of 55, 66, and 12. So don't feel the difficult to take the LCM of like this. Just write in the form of 5 into 11 is 55. 6 into 11 is 66. 6 into 2 is 12. So, sorry, 11. This is 11. This is 11. So, 6 is the common. So, 1, 6 you just take. So, LCM is nothing but 5 into 11 into 6 into 2. 1, 6 you just take. 6 into 2, 12. So, this is the LCM. Now, find the efficiency of A, find the efficiency of B, find the efficiency of A plus B plus C. How we are going to find out the efficiency? Efficiency, capacity are nothing but 1 day work. Simply the total work, this is the total work, units, total works divided by total days of A, 55. 55. So these two get cancelled and 55 means 5. sorry, 11 ones, 11 fives. So in this cancel 12. 12 is the efficiency of 12 is the efficiency of A. A, what's the efficiency of A? It's nothing but 12 here. So one day he can eat 12 apples. Okay. And second, B. So B can eat 66, right? B can eat 66. 11 ones, 11 6, 6 ones, 6 twos. So 2 into 5, 10. So B efficiency, what's the B efficiency here? Sorry, B efficiency here, 10. 10. 10 apples B can eat. Now, efficiency of A plus B plus C. Now, what is the efficiency of A plus B plus C? The total they can complete in 12 days. 12 days. So 12 get cancelled. So efficiency is C for A plus B plus C is 55. 55. Now, we know the A plus B plus C and A and B also we know. So find out the C efficiency. How? A plus B plus C minus A minus B, right? So A plus B plus C efficiency is nothing but 55 minus B efficiency 10 minus A efficiency 12. So 55 minus 10 minus 12 is nothing but 33, right? So C efficiency we got 33, right? So what is 33? It means one day C can eat 33 apples. It's really damn tough, right? We cannot eat 33 apples in a day. Okay. Now we find this C can eat 33 apples in a day. So what's the total work here? Okay, I'm going to clear this first of all. Okay, otherwise I will take here. What's the total work? 5 into 11 into 12 is the total work. In this, only C can eat 33 apples. So just cancel this. 11 ones, 11 threes, 3 ones, 3 fours. So 4 into 5 is nothing but 20. So C alone can finish the total painting of the house in 20 days only. Is it clear? Guys, do you understand? Need to explain one more time. Guys, do you understanding, right? Okay, thank you. Moving for the next question. Now, A can do a piece of work in X days. B can do the same work in 3X days. To do the work together, to first the work together, they take 12 days to do the work. To do the work together, they take 12 days. Then what is the value of X they are asking? What they are asking? X value they are asking. What they given? A can do in X days. Okay. B can do same thing in 3X days. Right? Same procedure, same procedure. What they're asking together, they given together. That means A plus B they given already. So 12 days. So X plus 3X. X plus 3X. Sorry, LCM of these two. It is nothing but 3X. Now A capacity 3X by X equal to 3. Now B capacity 3X by 3X equal to 1. So efficiency of A is 3, efficiency of B is 1. So together a plus b, right? So 3x by 3 plus 1, 4. What it they given in the question? It is equal to 12 days. They can complete together. They can complete together equal to in 12 days. 12 days. Just now, based on this, 3x equal to 48. So x equal to 16 days. 16 days. Nice. Clear? Then moving for the next question. So x, 3x is there. Just LCM, 3x. So efficiency is 3, efficiency is 1. Then 3x by 4 equal to 12. So 3x equal to 48, x equal to 16 days. Right? A can do in 16 days, B can do in 48 days. Individually. A can do in 16 days, B can do in 48 days. Clear? No. Read the question. A, B, C can complete a work in 2 days only. If A does the job alone in 6 days, B in 5 days, how long will it take for C to finish the job alone? Actually, it's a very basic question. So what they are asking, first of all, A plus B plus C, they are asking. A plus B plus C, they are giving 2 days. And A in 6 days, B in 5 days. Then asking to find the C. Right? A plus B plus C we have. From this, subtract A and B, then we'll get the answer. Right? C answer will get. Right? How to subtract? First, take the LCM. What's the LCM of these three? It's nothing but 30, right? 30. Then it is 15 apples, it is 5 apples, and here it is 6 apples. Now, we know that A plus B plus C is 15, and A is 5, plus B is, sorry, A is 6, B is 5, total 11. Just subtract this. 11, 4. What is this 4? C efficiency. Nothing but C 1 day work. 1 day apples eat 4. So total is nothing but 30, right? Total apples is 30. 1 day 4. So 4, 7.5 days. 7.5 days will take, right? 7.5 days they will take to complete the C alone. Okay. Now, A and B can do a piece of work in 18 days. What they're saying? A and B can do a piece of work in 18 days. B and C can do it in 24 days. A and C can do it in 34 days. Sorry, 36 days. Find the in which A, B, C working together can finish the work. So try this. Try this. If anyone solve this and give the answer, I will see. Try this work. AB they given, BC they given, and AC they given. AC, AB, BC they given. Now, try to solve this and give the answers. Done? Doing it or not? Fast, fast. At least any one I'm expecting. Chaitanya Chaudhary, give the answer, ma. Let us explain this first. A and B can do a piece of work in 18 days. A plus B, how many days? In 18 days, right? 18 days. Now B plus C in 24 days, and A plus C is in 36 days. Now they given like this. First take the LCM, same procedure. So 18 is a factor of 36. So eliminate 18 and 24 and 36. LCM is 72. No, LCM is 72. Now A plus B, 4 units are 4 apples. B plus C is 3 apples. A plus C is 2 apples. Their efficiency or their capacity, right? Now, just add this A plus B, B plus C, A plus C is nothing but we'll get 2 into A plus B plus C, right? Equal to what? 4 plus 3 plus 2. It is 9. What they're asking to find us? They're asking to find us A, B, C working together can finish the work. Okay. It is now A plus B plus C equal to 9 by 2. 9 by 2, right? So here what's A plus B plus C? 1 day work is 9 by 2. 1 day work is 9 by 2. And what's the total work? 72. 72 by 1 day work is nothing but 9 by 2. So 72 into 2 by 9. So 8. So 8 into 2 is nothing but 16 days. 16 days. Yeah. Nice. Okay, everyone. Guys, understood or not? First they given AB and BC AC. So we find that individual efficiency of AB, BC and CA. Okay, and then from this efficiency of the number, and then just add this 3, then we'll get 3 ABC, 2 ABC, right? So ABC, that means what they're asking together, A plus B plus C, they're working for 9 by 2 only for 1 day, then there was a fear. So total is 72 units, 72 apples by 9 by 2. It's nothing but 16 days. So 16 days they will eat, 16 days they will eat to complete that 72 apples. 3 of them. Okay. Then, okay. Moving for the next question. Now, A and B can do a piece of work in 45 days. Okay. A and B can do a piece of work in 45 days and 40 days respectively. That means A can do in 45 days, B can do in 40 days. Right? Now, they began to do the work together, but A leaves after some days. So very, very important type of problems. frequent you will get in examinations. A leaves after some days. They didn't mention how many days. After some days, and then B complete the remaining work. B complete the remaining work in 23 days. So whatever A and B already done some work for some days. So remaining work will be B completed in how many days? 23 days he took. The number of days after which A left the work was. So what they're asking, after how many days A left the job, they're asking simply, right? Now, first, how we are going to do this one? Same thing, A process, A equal to 45. And B equal to 40 days respectively. Okay. They began to do the work together. That means A plus B, they started work. How many days? We don't know, some days. And A leaves after some days, and then B complete. Who's now working? Who's that? Only B. Completing the work in 23 days. How many days? In 23 days. Right? In 23 days. The number of days we have to find out this one. So first, find out the LCM of this 45 and 40. This is nothing but 360. 360 is the 360 is the LCM. Now 360 is the LCM. Now efficiency of A 360 by 45. It's nothing but 8. And efficiency of B is nothing but 360 by 40. It's nothing but 9. Right? Now we find that efficiency of A, efficiency of B also. Now what they are saying, only B work for 23 days to complete the job, right? That means last 23 days who work B. B efficiency is nothing but 9. So 9 apples in a day. How many days he work like that? 23 days. 23 into 9 equal to 207, right? It's nothing but 207. So A alone worked for 23 days and completed 207 units. 207 units. So what's the remaining work? 360 minus 207. It's nothing but 153. So what's this 153? It's nothing but who done this work? A and B. Combinedly they work. A and B combinedly they work 153 days. So we know this capacity of individually A, individually A and individually B. So there is nothing but 360. Now we have only 183. 153. 153 divided by, what's the total A plus B? It's nothing but 17. So 17 nines. So 9 days. So they work for, A worked for 9 days. After that, A left the job and B alone done that work in 23 days. Right? So based on that, we can find out the A and B relationship of the speed. Clear? Guys, everyone clear? Okay, moving to the next question. A can do a piece of work in 10 days, B in 20 days. They began together, but A leaves 2 days before. 2 days before in the completion of the work. The whole work will be done in how many days they are asking. Do it, ma, do it. Try this at least. Try and give the answer first of all. I'll give 1 minute to you. Okay, take 2 minutes first of all. Guys, I'm expecting answers from your side. Do it fast. Okay. See, A can do a piece of work in 10 days. B in 20 days. It began together, but A leaves 2 days before the completion of the. First take the LCM, it's nothing but 20 and it is 2 units and it's 1 unit, and A plus B equal to 3 units. See, A plus B is nothing but, it is 2, it is 1, it is nothing but 3. So 3 apples in a day, A plus B. And they started work, and last 2 days, A leaves before the completion of, that means last 2 days. In the last 2 days, who completed the work? B, right? B only did, right? The last 2 days alone, B alone can do the work. What is that? 2 days, 2 apples, right? So 2 apples. Now, last 2 days, who will work here? B. B means B efficiency is 1. Last 2 days, 2 apples. He can eat 2 apples. Totally, how many apples is there? 20 apples is there. So in 20 apples, B only ate 2 apples in last 2 days. That means still 18 apples is there. So these 18 apples who will eat A plus B. Combinedly, they can work. 2 plus 1, it's nothing but 3. It's nothing but 6 days. So it is also not our answer. What they're asking, the whole work will be done in. So 6 days plus 2 days, 8 days. Then, guys, with the response, ma. You people are sleeping or what are you doing? Are you listening first of all? No. You're sleeping? Okay, see, just like I'm teaching without students. A and B can complete a work in 8 days. A and B can complete a work in 8 days working together. B alone can do it in 12 days. After working for 4 days, B left the work. After working for 4 days, B left the work. How many days will A take to complete the remaining work? See here. Read the question very carefully. Here, they didn't mention B alone can do it 12 days, and after working 4 days, that means B started the work. A and B can complete a work in 8 days. Right days, first of all. 8 days. And B only can 12 days. Take the LCM, it's nothing but 24. So it is 3 and it is 2, right? So individual work efficiency of 3, here efficiency of 2, right? Now B work for 4 days. That means 4 days we will work B. 1 day how many apples? 2 apples. 4 days how many apples? 8 apples. Totally how many apples? 24 apples. So B only ate 8 apples. That means 24 minus 8 is nothing but 24 minus 4 is nothing but 16, right? So 16 is there, and the 16 A complete the remaining work. Who's that A? A how many days A will take? So B 2, A plus B is 3. Then A can take 1 unit, 1 apple in a day. So 16 apples in 1 apple in a day, 16 days. Then first of all, what they are given in the question, you need to write the data, and what they're asking, you need to clearly understand that. So from here, the total A plus B can take in 8 days only. Only B can take 12 days. And they said B started the work. B started the work and worked for 4 days. So after 4 days, B left the job. So remaining work, whatever the work is remaining, that work is assigned to the A. So how many days A will take the question? So individually, efficiency of A plus B is equal to 3 and efficiency of B equal to 2. So then just subtract that B from, we'll get A efficiency. A efficiency is nothing but 1. Now, so 4 days B work for 18. From that, we'll calculate 24 minus 8 is 16. 16 by is 16 days. Now, come to the next one. A, B, C complete a work respectively, separately 24 days, 36 days and 48 days respectively. They started together, but C left after 4 days of started and A left 3 days before completion of the work. Before completion of the work. In how many days the work will be completed? What they're asking? The total days to complete the work. Total days to complete the work. Now, check this first of all. A, 24 days. B, 36 days. And C, 48 days. These 48 days. Now, take the LCM of these two. So, LCM of these two is nothing but 72, and it is difference is 12 only, right? So, 12 is a common. 12, 2, 3, it is 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 6 into 4. 24 into 12. 24 into 12. 20 into 12 is nothing but 144, right? 144 is the LCM. So 144 is the LCM. From this, efficiency of A is nothing but 6. Efficiency of B is nothing but 4. Efficiency of C is nothing but 3. Now, then both together, three members together start the work and C left after 4 days. That means first 4 days, who work? A plus B plus C work first 4 days plus now C left the job. Who's remaining? A plus B is remaining. They also work for some days. They didn't mention here. And now A left the job before 3 days completion of the work. That means last 3 days. Who done the work? Only B. Now, if you know this, then we can find the total days, right? Can find the total days. Now, first of all, A plus B plus C, 4, and only B is 3. So, A plus B plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4 plus 3, 52, 13. 13 into 4 days. 3 members work for together for 4 days. 13 into 4, 52. Plus 3 days, only B. 3 into 4, it is 12 days. 12 days. So, B is 4 into 3, 12 days. So now the total work is 144, right? So total work is 144. In first 4 days, 52 is completed. And next 3 days, last 3 days, 12 is completed. That's nothing but 64 units of the work is completed. 64 units of the work is completed. Then what's the remaining? 80. So 80 units of the work is still remaining. So who will do this 80? Who will do this 80 work? A plus B. A is 6, B is 4. It's nothing but 10. It's nothing but 8 days. 8 days. A plus B plus C. If start the work, C left after 4 days, and AB is working for 8 days, and last 3 days before, A also left, and remaining 3 days by so this is 8. So A plus B equal to 8. So 80 by 10 equal to nothing but 8. So 52 plus 8, 60. Sorry. So they're asking days, right? They're asking days. So 4 days plus 8 days plus 3 days. They're asking finally completion of days. So we find this A plus B is 8 days. Only A plus B plus C is 4 days. And only B is 3 days. Totally 15 days. To complete that work is in 15 days. Done? A can do a piece of work in 4 days. A and C together can do it in just 2 days. While B and C together need 3 days to finish the same work, B alone can complete the work in how many days? So simple questions, mark. There are simple questions they are giving here. The previous question paper questions, these are all the things. So A can do a piece of work in 4 days. 4 days. B and C, A and C together doing it 2 days. A plus C, 2 days. Now take the LCM of this one. 8, right? That means it is 2, it is 4, right? So AC is 4. A can do in 4 days. A plus C So they given one more thing. Okay, B plus C also they given. B plus C is 3 days. B plus C is 3 days. Now, A 4 days. A plus B, sorry, A plus C 2 days. B plus C 3 days. Now take the LCM of this. Now take the LCM of this one. It's nothing but 12. It is 3. It is 6. It is 3. Right. Right. Now, what we want to find out, C alone can complete the work how many days? C, we want only B. We want only B. Now, it is 4 and it is 6 and it is 3. Now, A is there here. A plus C is here. So, substitute A value here. It's 3. Nothing but C also will get 3. And B plus C is here in 3 days. Sorry, 4 units. B plus C is 4 and C 3. So B equal to 1. B equal to 1, then the total work is 12. So 12 by 1 is the number 12. Then, guys, I'm explaining is not a matter. Do you understanding or not? That's what we require first of all here. So B can complete in 12 days. See, now, going for the next question. So A and B together can finish a work in 5 days. If A works twice his efficiency, they can finish the work in 3 days only. In how many days will A alone can work? Guys, am I audible to you? Can you hear me? Guys, give the response. Are you able to hear me? Is my voice is audible to you or not? No, yes sir. No. No. How can you sir replying no, ma? If you are not able to hear my voice, then how you are saying no? For this, you are giving the response. But why if I ask the questions, why you are not giving the response, ma? Okay, at least try to do this one. A and B together finish a work in 5 days. A plus B, same type of problems, right? So what we are doing, taking the LCM and taking the based on the concept. I mean, based on the question, we are finding out the answer, right? So A plus B is 5, and if A was twice his efficiency, then they can finish the 3 days. That means 2A plus B equal to 3 days. So 2A. A is double here. A is double. Why? A is work twice his efficiency. That means double, right? So I can write this 2A equal to A plus B, right? Now take the LCM 15. It is 3. It is 5, right? It is 5. Now A plus B is A plus B we know here. So that is 3. Just substitute that one. So A is nothing but 2. So A plus B, they given 3 here. 3. Okay, substitute A plus B is nothing but 3 here. So A equal to 2. A equal to 2 only, right? No. A plus B is nothing but 5 days. That means the LCM of 15. It is both A and B can eat 3 apples. 3 apples, right? So here 2A plus B. 2A plus B. That means nothing but A plus B is in 5 apples. So if here we can find A plus B nothing but 3 apples, then A equal to 5 minus 3 is nothing but 2 apples, only 2. So if A is 2, in how many days will alone finish the work? A is 2, then 15 by 2. 7.5. I got this one. Who has given the answer? Please check that. Please check this. Yes, 7.5. Right? Okay, done. Now, the last question for today's class. A can do as much work as B and C together can do. Okay, A and B together do a piece of work in 9 hours 36 minutes, and C can do it in 48 hours. The time that B needs to do the work alone is, what they're saying. First of all, read the question. A can do as much work as B and C together. So if suppose take B ate 2 apples, C take 3 apples, A can take 5 apples. A can do as much work B and C together do. So B can do 2 apples in a day, C can do 3 apples in a day. Then the total first for one day, 2 plus 5, it's nothing but 5 apples. A can eat 5 apples. Right? This what their that meaning. Okay, and now A and B together do a piece of work in 9 hours 36 minutes. So A plus B equal to 9 hours 36 minutes. Convert 36 minutes by in hours, 36 by 60, right? So 6 tenths, 6 by 10, right? You can take 3 by 5, right? 3 by 5. 5 nines, 45 plus 3, 48. 48 by 5. This is this is the whole time for A plus B. And C can do only in 48 hours. Take the LCM, it's nothing but 48. So it is efficiency of 5 and it is efficiency of 1. Now what they're asking, the time that B needs to do the work alone, right? So here A, instead of A, you can just substitute B plus C. Okay, here B plus C. So A is equal to B plus C, right? So this is 5 units, ma. This is 5 units and this is 1 unit. 1 apple, 5 apples. So instead of A, I'm writing B plus C here. B plus C plus B equal to 5, right? So here we know that C is 1. C is 1. That means 2B equal to -1. See this side, that means -1. 4. 4. Right? So B equal to 2. It is efficiency of B. That means 1 day work of B. 1 day work of B. They're asking whole work. How many days? Right? So what's the whole work? 48. 48 by 2. It's nothing but 24. 24 is the answer. Clear? So this is what for today's class. Thanks for watching. Bye bye now. We'll continue tomorrow and different method, that is alternate days. Okay. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.